Welcome to Student Planning, registering for courses. Eligible students are assigned an online registration start date and time. Your registration start date and time is the earliest that you can register for your classes. If you are unable to register on your assigned day and time, or if you missed your assigned time, you can still register online up until the start of classes. Prior to the start of your registration date and time, Student Planning will display a message with your registration date and time. You have the following options to register for your planned sections. If you select Register Now, you will be registered for the available sections only. This does not include classes that are full. Then you can search for the remaining available sections that you need. You can also register in each section one at a time by clicking the Register button located at the bottom of each section. If you are trying to register for sections that are currently unavailable, the Register button will not display on the section. You can either waitlist yourself for the section or select a different section. When registering for your sections, ensure that you register for the fall term first, fall-winter next, and the winter term last. You must register in each term separately to ensure that you register for requisite courses in the correct order. After you have registered for your sections, all sections that are registered will change to a green color. Sections that are only planned or waitlisted will remain yellow. So that's how to register for a course. Please take a look at our other student planning videos.